How to use motion brush to control specific AI movement. So for this, when you open Higgsfield, hover your mouse on top of the video option, and from here you want to take this option called draw to video. Over here you can sketch the video to make any adjustment you want. Click on draw to video and it basically shows how it works. You can sketch it and then click on generate and it generates it. You could see it. You can do this and basically click on generate, it'll start to generate. So this is the basic premise of how it works. Click on upload media and choose the image you want to animate, and once you do this, basically click on this option, which is the brush option, and then choose what kind of thing you want. I will just create a little small arrow here, and then you can click on the T option, add a text here. If I write that and click on generate, basically this character on the video will start to smoke. Alright, and if it starts generating something wrong, that means the prompt or the picture or the brush, like the sketch you draw over here is a bit mistake, so try to draw it a bit detailed as possible. So that's the basic gist of it. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.